What's up everybody, this is Artem for Northlift Belts and Lonsdale Leather. I'm going to show you today how I install the Rakanye T5 Super R zipper. These things are incredibly fancy. The teeth are super polished, and if you're making any high-end luxury goods or just trying to fancy up your work, I really recommend it. Look at these funky sliders they have. I'm going to be using this one today. Super cool. Everything's made in Italy. So first step that you want to do is obviously cut your zipper to size. So in my case, I cut my zipper to the length of the leather. From here, I am going to remove about 10 teeth from the top and the bottom. So what I like to do is break it open like this. Then I have these clippers about 1/3 in. And you're gonna hear a nice little crack, and you can pop them off like this. Just go along one tooth at a time. Then we're gonna do the same thing here, and then the same thing on the bottom. The amount of teeth that you're removing is going to be relevant to your project. So after we're done taking off all the teeth from the top and bottom, slide the slider onto the zipper. So these teeth look like little peas. See that little nub on the top? The nub points up. We're gonna put the slider onto the bottom of those teeth. What you wanna do is kind of line up the teeth, put the slider on, hold the tape there, pinch it like that, you're on. So what I like to use in applying these top stops is an edge crimping tool. What I can do is place the top stop, buttress up right into that corner like this. Let's get that top stop buttressed right up against the tooth. Pinch the butt end of the tool. Pinch it real hard with your fingers. Now what we gotta do is apply the bottom stop. That's 4 little teeth. Those 4 little teeth are made to pierce the fabric tape here. Place those 4 teeth about 1 millimeter distance from the bottom tooth, and then holding the fabric pinched with your thumb and pointer finger, you're gonna use your thumbs to push through that fabric, like that. So that's all the way through. You're gonna take needle nose pliers, bend those teeth inwards. Once you have the teeth turned inwards enough, you can go back to your edge crimpers, push that down. There we go. So the next step, we're going to be actually attaching the zipper to the body. What I like to use is 5mm double-sided tape. So I'm going to attach the tape on all 4 sides of the zipper tape. If you're not working with a liner, you only need to apply the tape to 2 sides. So we're going to add these little end panels to the tops and bottoms of the zipper. I'm going to use my 3mm tape. So the tape is going to be just ahead of the top stops. Exact same thing, just so that tape is beyond the edge of the bottom stop. Now we're going to go onto the machine and we're going to make a stitch right there and right there. All right? 5mm tape, flip the panel over. Next step, the face attached downwards onto the face of the zipper. I'm going to do the underside. I'm going to add the liner face down. Then you can open it up, attach the other side. I can buttress this foot right up against the teeth. So that's why I carry a bone folder with me when I get to the machine. We want to press this edge down. You can do this with a bone folder, just to encourage that crease. I'm going to take some 5mm tape again. Get some tension on this. This is beautiful already. This can be a finished product right here. But I'm going to run that top stitch as well, and we'll see how it looks. I'm going to do a top stitch with the liner flipped under. So we're not going to see a stitch on the inside of the bag. 5mm tape. And here we go. We have the finished product here. Slides beautifully. Sounds so nice. Snip this and this, stitch that, flip it inside out. You've got a miniature duffel after you attach some ends to here and here. Thanks for watching.